Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. In today's video we are going to make moist chocolate cake. We are going to start off with our syrup and then we are going to make our cake. So let's get started. In a medium-sized saucepan you are going to add in your water, sugar and cocoa powder. And you're going to leave it until it boils and then remove it from the heat and leave it to cool down. Give your syrup a mix and let it boil for about 3 to 4 minutes until your syrup is ready. For the cake, in a big mixing bowl, you are going to add in your eggs, sugar, vanilla extract, and you are going to mix this using a hand mixer for 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and creamy. Now you are going to add in your vegetable oil, cocoa powder, salt, baking powder, and flour. You are going to give it a last mix until everything is well incorporated. Here I have a 7x7 inch square cake tin and I'm going to grease it using some non-stick cooking spray. Now I'm going to pour the chocolate batter in and smooth it out. Our cake is now ready to go into the oven and you're going to bake this for 20 to 25 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius. Right after your cake comes out of the oven, pour over your chocolate syrup and let the cake absorb. For the ganache, here I have my chocolate and I'm going to pour over my cream and melt them both in the microwave until completely melted. My cream and chocolate are fully melted and I'm going to add in some hazelnut spread. And now I'm going to give it a last mix. My cake have cooled down for about 1 hour now, and now I'm going to pour over my ganache. Spread it on the sides and on the corners to make sure that the whole cake is covered in chocolate. Our cake is now ready and let's cut a piece. Our chocolate cake is now ready and you can serve it right away. It's very moist inside and it has a delicious ganache on top. Everyone will love this. Don't forget that you can find all of the tools I use in the description box below. Thank you for watching guys, hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.